Hello everyone and welcome back. This is the Health and Beauty channel, and in this video we'll discuss the 10 amazing benefits of castor oil you didn't know. Before we begin, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Castor oil is the oily liquid derived from the seeds of the castor plant. It may be colorless or pale in hue, and it has a very strong smell, one that some people find offensive. Before using it on your skin for any reason, test its effects by applying a small amount to another part of your body like an arm or leg. If no adverse reactions occur within 48 hours, you should be safe to use this substance in larger quantities. There are many uses for castor oil, from cooking to beauty products. It can also be used on your hair, skin, and nails to help strengthen them and make them healthier. Here are some fantastic benefits you didn't know castor oil had. Reduces wrinkles. Because castor oil is a natural moisturizer, it can lessen the signs of crow's feet, wrinkles, and fine lines. Castor oil can get into the layers of the skin easily and so does not clog pores. In fact, this substance gives skin extra nutrients. It can also improve the appearance of blemishes and scars on your skin. Promotes hair growth. Castor oil can be applied to the hair as a treatment for damaged or weakened hair. It is rich in nutrients, giving your locks added body and shine while also fortifying them against breakage. Thickens eyebrows and eyelashes. Because castor oil contains protein, vitamins, and fatty acids that feed the hair follicles nutrients and help the hair grow, it is a great choice for people who want to thicken their eyebrows or eyelashes. Rub a cotton swab dipped in castor oil into your eyebrows every night before bed. Keep doing this until you reach the desired thickness of your eyebrows. Nourishes dry skin. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. It contains high levels of fatty acids which help keep the skin healthy and glowing while helping to treat conditions such as dermatitis that can cause very rough skin. Castor oil also helps sustain the production of elastin and collagen, two proteins that keep your skin looking young. Treats brittle and cracked nails. It's also excellent for strengthening weak or broken nails. The castor oil contains several vitamins and minerals that help the nails grow, making them healthy again. Plus, thanks to its antifungal properties, it lessens your risk for fungal infection. If you're enjoying this video, I have more health and beauty tips coming up, but before that, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Softens calluses. Because castor oil is a thick, heavy oil, it's great for moisturizing. When applied to dry and callous skin like that of the feet, it softens hard patches by restoring moisture in those areas. It can also be used as a treatment for corns and foot cracks by massaging them into the affected area. Prevents stretch marks. If you use castor oil during pregnancy, it can prevent stretch marks. A humectant, a type of substance that attracts water to itself and helps retain moisture in the skin, castor oil keeps elasticity strong while also assisting tissues to form so they can better support the skin's strength and texture. It's also an emollient, a type of substance that softens and smoothens the skin. When applied to pregnant women's bellies, it helps prevent stretch marks by conditioning skin against the effects of stretching. Soothes sunburn. Because castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties and is soothing to the skin, it can be helpful in treating sunburns. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil will protect any blisters from becoming infected while clearing away dead cells that can cause hyperpigmentation. And because it is a humectant, castor oil will help prevent your skin from drying out while soothing it. Repair split ends. To control split ends, deep condition your hair. Castor oil is a good choice for this treatment. It helps bring in moisture and makes the overall health of your hair better. Now, if you have a hard time getting the oil to penetrate your hair, try adding some coconut or olive oil with it. Massage this mixture into your scalp and leave it on overnight. Then shampoo out in the morning. You can use castor oil in place of your conditioner, or you can mix it with olive oil and apply it to your hair. Leave this mixture on overnight to allow the castor oil to penetrate deep into your strands. Heals chapped lips. If you have dark chapped lips, castor oil is a good treatment. The thick liquid soaks into the skin and creates a protective barrier that moisturizes and nourishes your lips. It's great for treating dryness and keeping it from coming back. You can use castor oil as a lip balm, or you can mix it with beeswax. This will give you a thicker consistency that's easier to apply. Then just rub the mixture over your lips and leave it on overnight. With the many benefits of castor oil for hair and skin, it's easy to see why castor oil packs are popular in many natural beauty routines. Castor oil packs can be used to detoxify the body, improve skin health, stimulate hair growth, and more. Give these amazing methods a try and see for yourself. Do you have any other ways to use castor oil? Let us know in the comments below. If you learned something new from our channel, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when our new videos are released. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.